This is the volumetric displacement test for SAR-1000. For this test, you'll need a volumetric flask. In my case, I'm using a 1 liter flask. You'll need 2 pans of water, one for the flask to go into, just breaking the surface of the water, and a second one to catch the water that's displaced. Or you can use a very large pan of water and only need one. For my test, I'm using the mouse tubing set, and I've added an additional tail to the end of it just to make it a little easier to collect the breaths, the tidal volume. And you'll need a stopwatch. You could use a cell phone for this, or I'm going to be using my wristwatch because it has a stopwatch on it. And for my test, I'm going to be using 60 breaths per minute and a tidal volume of 2. This makes my equation very easy because I have a 1 liter flask. So if I take the total volume and divide that by the tidal volume, and then divide that by the breaths per minute, I get 8 minutes and 20 seconds. That's the time it will take to displace the volume. To complete the test, all you need to do is put your little tail under here, start your timer, and time the amount of seconds that it takes to displace that volume. The most important thing to do is make sure that you catch every single breath, and this will ensure the best accuracy for the test. Now, I'm not going to record all 8 minutes of this test, but just give you an idea of what the test should look like and what you should expect.